Electric spice and nut grinder with durable stainless steel blades. Heavy-duty motor, push-top lid for simple on/off control. Bowl holds 90 grams, extra storage space and lid, non-slip rubber feet. Dishwasher-safe lid and bowl, instruction manual with recipes included. Product built to North American electrical standards. There's nothing quite like the smell and taste of freshly ground spices. And with the Cuisinart spice and nut grinder, it's easier than ever to efficiently rind any spice or create original, tantalizing spice blends. The blade is exclusively designed to grate spices and nuts, and the simple press-down lid starts the grinding process with one touch, sealing in all the finely ground spices. Note: please make sure the lid is locked in place and the appropriate amount of spices are loaded in the unit. Features: specially designed stainless steel blades for spice and nut grinding, vertical bar 200-watt motor, vertical bar push-top on/off control for simple operation, vertical bar built-in safety, interlock prevents operation unless the lid is securely in place, vertical bar bowl holds up to 90 grams, vertical bar heavy-duty motor and stainless steel blades, vertical bar dishwasher-safe lid and removable stainless steel bowl, vertical bar storage lid allows for extra spices to be stored in the grinding bowl, vertical bar non-slip rubber feet, vertical bar instruction/recipe book, vertical bar limited 18-month product warranty, vertical bar BBA free. Top reviews from the United States. Solved our problem, nice to have in the kitchen. This year we grew a lot of garlic. My wife decided to dry and grind the garlic, as that's how we usually use garlic. She tried it and then discovered how hard it can be to smash. We had just enough of a clue not to use the coffee grinder, and use this product instead. At the time, I didn't fully understand what a good idea it is to have a removable bowl. Dawn breaks over Marblehead: since the bowl is removable, you can put it through the dishwasher and the next thing you grind won't taste like the last thing you ground.